Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how crude price has moved in the last 2 days and how crude price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what you can see that price is currently at around 117.29, and one important thing that you have to realize, there is a swing and there is continuous red candle is forming. Okay, so what we have seen a swing, and the next support we can see coming at around 115.63 also. Okay, so what we can see, suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can touch a level of 115.63, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further down and can touch a level 69. Okay, and if the price didn't sustain that particular level also, then we can see it can move further down. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding silver, crude, gold or any other commodities, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude and other commodities are working, and link I have given in the description of my Telegram channel. You can join that also, and one more mail ID I have given. Any doubt you can mail me. See, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, then probability of coming down towards a level of 116.8 is very high, and this level is already being tested twice, so probability is high. We can see it can move further down and can touch a level of 115.01. okay, before that 115.90, and if this level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 115.34. okay, and suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 112.55, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 110.31. okay, once 110.31 didn't sustain, then we can see it can move towards a level of 109.08, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 105.41. Now suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of 117.80, and if that level also sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 119.59. Suppose if the price sustain above that level, then we can see a probability of touching 120.15, and from there we can see it can go and further upside towards a level of 112.39. Suppose if the price goes more upside and sustain this level, we can see a probability of touching towards a level of 123 is high, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 123.84. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 126.98, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 127.54. so suppose if this price sustain, then we can see it can move further upside and can touch a level of 129.44. okay, and then we can see it can go further high. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have already told you. Now understand something, if you are trading is risky, and most of the people lose money in trading. Okay, so what I teach in my workshop, that suppose if you are trading with $10,000, you try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, around 1000 to 1500. Risk as per that will be 0.5 to 1%, that comes to $50 to $100. okay, suppose if you take 5 trades also, your risk will be $500 max. So if you lose $500 in a day, that means you can exit the trade for the day and you can trade the next day. Okay, so you will not be in a burden or recover a certain amount, because people lose 5,000 also, 2,000, and then they try to recover the next day, which in turn make them lose their full capital. Okay, this is the what mistake they do. What I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these problems and how to manage your risk and what strategies to take. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,